Now the question on the board says that the first, the second, and the last term of a geometric progression, that's a GP, are 162 minus 108 and what? Minus 21 whole number 1 over 3. And we are asked to find the number of terms in the GP. Okay, now what is a GP? Let's give the expression for a GP. It has these following terms: AR, AR squared, AR cubed, down to what? AR raised to power n minus 1, where n is the number of terms. Is that okay? So now you can see that with the first term is A. This is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term, down to the last term, which we can call it the nth term. So we are told that the first term is A, so our A is what? 162. And the second term, which is our AR, is what? Minus 108. So now, what is R? Our R is the common ratio. That's what makes it a GP. It has common ratio. So we cannot calculate our R from here. So our R is usually the second term, AR, divided by the first term, A, which is what? Minus 108 divided by what? 162. Now if you reduce this to its lowest term, you divide. 2 can go here, 54, and 2 can go here, 81. So now I can see that these are multiples of 3. 9 can go here 6 times, 9 can go here 9 times. You can reduce this also by 3. 3 can go here 2 times, 3 can go here 3. So now my common ratio is minus 2 over 3. Now the question is to find the number of terms in the GP. So how do we do that? We use the nth term, which can be our last term, which is equals to this. So our nth term, AR into n minus 1, is equals to what? Minus 21 whole number 1 over 3. Then we know our A, and we have calculated for our R, so we just substitute. So our A is what? 162. So we have 162 into what? Our R, minus 2 over 3 into n minus 1 is equals to what? Minus 21 whole number 1 over 3. So how do we simplify this? We continue from here. So it becomes, we can divide both sides by 162. We divide both sides by 162. So we are left with what? Minus 2 over 3 into n minus 1 is equals to what? Minus 21 whole number 1 over 3 divided by what? 162. So now we have minus 2 over 3 into n minus 1 is equals to, we convert this to improper fraction. What do we have? 3 times 21 is what? 63 plus 1, 64. So we have minus what? 64 over 3 divided by 162. We can still simplify this. So this gives us what? Minus 2 over 3 into n minus 1 is equals to what? If we simplify this, it becomes minus 64 over 3 times what? 1 over 162. We are divided by 162. So to turn it to multiplication, you invert the fraction, it becomes 1 over 162. Now, you have minus 2 over 3, n minus 1 is equals to what? 64 minus 64 all over 162 times 3. You can actually divide. Before that, you can do this. 2 can go here many times? 32. 2 can go here 81. You can see. So now, if you do this, you have minus 32 all over 3 times 81, 243. Just see this. So how do we reduce this to this term? You can see that you have minus 2 over 3 into n minus 1 is equals to, now I can reduce 32 over 243. It's going to be minus 2 over 3 raised to power 5. Because 2 raised to power 5 will give me 32. 3 raised to power 5 will give me what? 243. Now I have the same base, I can now equate the powers. So now it becomes what? N minus 1 is equals to 5. Then n is equals to what? Take 1 to the other side. 5 plus 1, which is equals to 6. So that means the number of terms in the GP is what? 6.